So here is what's up. I'm on my way home right now, but since we're here in our daily vlog, I would like to share to you a powerful tip on ranking your videos, and that is keyword research. So if you're interested with that, please stick till the end of this video.
This is your channel.
Hello, Patrick from your channel, and in this channel, we do YouTube tips, weekly live streams, and YouTube finance. So help yourself grow your channel by clicking the subscribe button and yung bell. Select all
Para ikaw yung unang makaalam pag mag-upload tayo ng videos na makakatulong sa YouTube channel mo.
So let's start this video. So step number 1, I use YouTube search. So basically, tignan mo sa YouTube search kung ano yung mga bagay na hinahanap ng tao. And I'll show one clip that shows my process on doing this. So check this video out.
Simula ka A. Wala akong gusto sa mga yan. Wala akong gusto. Alam mo yun. A. Okay. C. B. E. F. For beginners. Hindi gusto ko to. Ito, try natin for beginners. So, yun.
Number 2, I confirm how many searches that video, that topic has. Meaning, sulit ba na gawin ko tong video na to? Magiging marami ba yung viewers ko pag itong topic yung pinili ko? And that would save you time in selecting the topics on the particular niche na napili mo for your channel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button para alam ko din na you want this kind of videos na daily vlog lang. And while you're learning about YouTube, you learn something about me as well. Then thank you very much, and let's proceed to the video. Step number 3 is I use articles or vlogs to identify ano yung mga titles na ginagamit sa mga vlogs. Bakit vlogs? Kasi it's not videos, pero kiniklik pa rin nila yun para maghanap ng information. So if they're attracting viewers, then there is something about their titles that I can utilize para ma-attract din yung mga searchers. Remember, your thumbnail is your billboard, but your titles, they will be the key para mag-click yung mga tao sa mga videos mo. Last but not the least, I use these powerful tools that I would share to you. If you want to know more about YouTube, how you'll get more views, click the video right in front of you right now. Thank you very much sa panonood, and God bless.